Hello, Isabel in Tanzania. I am showing you how we have our biogas bags and gas storage hooked up here at my home. Here is our biodigester, and as you can see, if you look down there, you can see my hoses, okay? And that hose is going to come over. It runs across my lawn. Can't see it right now, but it comes over to the house, okay? And it goes actually up and over, and then it goes down over to this window, and you can't see it because of the tent that we have up, but I'll bring you into the house. Okay, it actually comes in through the window. See, we have some insulation up in there, and then we run it, we hide it behind the curtains to make it look pretty, and then we run it behind the microwave. And then it eventually works its way over to here, and you can see hidden underneath my egg cartons is my desulfurizer hooked up there. And then we have this fancy transfer station here with the pump, and we have everything tied into the stove, our biogas stove, and I'll bring this around here. The reason this looks so complicated and fancy is because I also have my gas stored in the basement. You can see this hose underneath the counter. See, there's a hole right there, and that goes down into the floor and down into the basement. And I'm going to take you real quick down to the basement. I don't want this to be too long of a video. Da-da-da-da, through the Solar Cities workshop, and you can see it actually comes into the basement through the floor. We run it through a pipe just so it's a little more sturdy, and then we run it down to a biogas bag here, and of course there's a valve on the bag. I really like valves. It gives you options to shut it off at different places, and we have indoor storage, outdoor storage, so we're all set. There you go.